Stand up. Saturday you were good.
He's not ambitious today. He wants the camera. Hey! Oh!
Stand up.
On the pillow? It's kind of hard, huh?
No, you can.
He wants to dance. Yay!
Hey, stay easy. Stand.
You're getting so tall. Look at how long your legs are. You look so big now. Because you're 9 months old today. You know what you're doing. Yeah, he'll get it. He's got plenty of time. Whoa! Hi, sweetheart.